As you consider what Halloween decorations you have from last year, you're pulling out the bins, you're dusting them off, you're also looking at it saying, how can I make it feel fresh and fun again this year? Well, we have one suggestion in that direction. Add 2 eyes and a mouth. It doesn't get easier or cuter. The Halloween ghost is the unofficial mascot of Halloween, and this apparition is showing up in the unexpected places of your home. Decorator and do-it-yourselfer Michelle Bauer has 3 easy ideas for us. It's great to see you, and you dress the part too.
Thank you. I love Halloween. I'm ready for it.
Is it one of your faves?
It is my favorite holiday, yes.
What do you love about the ghost for Halloween?
You know what? It's so fun to decorate with. I feel like you could go kind of spooky with it, or you could do spooky cute, and whatever way you choose, it's going to be adorable in your house.
See, Casper was friendly, so you can swing it both directions.
You definitely can.
Yeah, absolutely. This year you have 3 projects that circle around this motif, or this mascot, if you will. What's the first one you have for us?
Okay, so I did this DIY on my Instagram like a month ago, and this is probably my favorite DIY I've ever done, because it's so easy, it's inexpensive, and it makes a huge impact.
Okay.
So basically all you do, we can create this ghost canvas.
Which looks like something I would buy at a boutique and pay a few dollars for.
Yes, and I made this huge canvas for under $35.
Under 35 bucks?
Yes.
Okay, this is adorable. It's cute. It's spooky cute.
It's spooky cute.
I think you've coined a new category. It's spooky cute. So you start with the canvas, I assume.
So what we do is we start with a canvas. This one's 18 by 24. And you want to get some craft paint and paint the sides and the edges, because we don't want that to show through when we put our print on.
Okay.
And you can use craft paint, house paint, anything that's going to coordinate with the print.
But just give that shadow, that dark finish to the edges, because they're exposed.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I found digital prints on Etsy. So you can download them anywhere from $3 to $10, depending on your print. You download it and send it over to Office Max.
Okay.
And they'll print it for you. And I think my large one was $15 to print.
And again, it's 18 by 24. You went big scale.
I went big. I put it on my mantle. So here's my print.
Look how cool this is.
Look how fun that ghost is.
That's really fun.
Spooky cute.
Spooky cute, as promised. She delivers.
Yes, what we do first, okay, so you painted your canvas. Then we're going to take the Elmer's spray.
Okay.
I won't spray it in here because we'll all start choking. So spray it. Super easy, super fast. Lay your canvas on it, start at the top. Just run your hand back and forth and smooth out the bubbles.
And that's enough to adhere it?
Yep.
Okay, edges, do they need extra love on the corners?
Yeah, probably press it down a little bit.
A little bit?
Now you might get a little bit of overspray on your canvas and it's gonna look white. So what I did is I just took a teeny tiny paintbrush and grabbed my craft paint and just went along the edges, and you'll never ever see it.
Okay, just some touch up.
Just some touch up.
And this is on your mantle, you said?
On my mantle, yep.
Under 35 bucks, again, it looks like something you would pay much more for in a holiday boutique. So that's adorable, Michelle. Thank you. All right, ghost project number 1. What's number 2?
Okay, number 2 are these fun ghosts. Rope ghosts.
These are fun.
Okay, so you can do a little door hanger, you could do a wall hanger. I have them on my little Halloween tree as ornaments. You could do a garland with these, but super easy. Let me show you how to make them.
Okay.
So the first thing we need is our hot glue gun. This heats up super fast. So we'll start with, this is macrame cord, or you can use rope.
Okay.
We are going to glue probably like the top 1/3. The inside, this is the very first layer. So I'll just put a little bit of glue.
Leaving the bottom open so the tails can trail.
Yes, yes. Okay, so there we go. So there's the very first step. So just on the top 1/3 again, gonna squeeze this together till it dries. Then after it dries, we're gonna just take more pieces and just kind of go around it like a rainbow.
Okay.
And then, so we'll just...
this is super easy.
Super easy. So just glue the outside 1/3.
And I hope that landed as the compliment I meant it too, because the effect is really fun, but the effort is minimal.
It is very minimal, very easy. So we'll keep doing that, adding it until you have your rope ghost. So for the eyes, you could add buttons, you could do craft paper. I just use felt, whatever you have on hand, super easy, hot glue them on. If you're gonna hang them up, just add some string. And then to get this really fun, kind of like wavy, frilly effect, all we do is unwind the rope.
To make the ends go crazy. If you're going to hang, do you wanna add the string on that first top layer?
What I do, even though it's glued, is I will just kind of pull it apart
and just sneak it through there.
Stick it through.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So very forgiving, and little fingers, minus the glue gun. If they're old enough to manage a glue gun, they could.
Oh, fun.
Daughters, granddaughters would have fun making this with you.
Oh, yes, for sure.
Okay, darling, what's our third project?
Okay, the third one, I really love this one too. So you want to grab your Christmas bells.
This is cute.
Bring them out. So we're going to draw a jack-o'-lantern or a ghost face on these. These are fun addition to a wreath. You could put them on your banister, on a tray decor. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a chalk pen.
Okay.
So if we use a chalk pen on these, we can use water and a rag and wipe off the face after Halloween and use them again for Christmas.
So the Christmas bells become Christmas bells again?
Yes.
Okay, super smart. So any chalkboard marker.
Any chalkboard marker, we're just gonna draw on there. I picked these up at Michael's.
Simple shape, you don't have to be an artist.
Nope.
And that's what I like about the ghost too. I thought there was going to be some big weaving technique or macrame skill required, but this is really easy.
So easy and so fun.
Yep.
And then if you make a mistake, after it dries, you can even get it wet and wipe it off, and they'll be good to go for Christmas. I'll just show you how these wipe off.
He can have a different attitude. He can be in a different mood every season.
That's right.
Every holiday of the year. Michelle, thank you so much. 3 simple projects that will add that spooky fun effect to your home. Remind us how to connect with you online.
Follow me on Instagram @_thepinklemon.
The Pink Lemon will link you over. You should be following her. So many cute ideas just like this, but head to our website if you want that connection point. Thanks again. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.